guys, today we have the Stormtrooper. It's a pretty long name. First Order Stormtrooper Deluxe Order, I think. I don't know. Let's open it. Here's the blaster. Doesn't have the whatever it's called in there. Comes with the removable stock. I'm mad because it doesn't open up. It's not like the Raider stock. The thingy that you put on the side to put the clip in. The scope. And the white clip. I really like this because it's white. It looks really cool. This is my favorite. Oh yeah, it's a 12 dart clip. What I really like is these Star Wars darts. What they try to do, I don't know if you can see this or not, but like they have this clear tip of it, and when you shoot it, it will look like lasers. That's why they do that. So what you want to do to put this together is you take this and you want to make sure this is the button to take the clip out. You want to make sure it's in the back. And you want to just click it in until you hear the clicking sound. And then you can put the clip in. Okay. Oh. You have to have that back to put the clip in. And then you can lock it. And then you got the stock. And here's the scope. Put down backwards. Sorry. So this is how it's going to look when you're all finished with it. So I'm going to load it up real quick and show you how it shoots. I'm sorry it's taken a long time. Okay, it's loading now. Bring the camera over here. You can do flat shot, or you can do slam fight. Pretty good gun. Bye guys.